Check out the groundbreaking debut of Ukraine's very first electric tractor, the Kolos 244. Developed by the innovative minds at ElectroAgroTekhnika amidst challenging times, this marvel of engineering boasts an impressive operational time of up to 9 hours on a single charge. Built on the foundation of a compact Shifeng diesel model, the Kolos 244 is a Class 0.6 electric tractor, packing 25-30 horsepower. Leveraging existing infrastructure streamlined the development process, requiring only partial modifications to the chassis, transmission, and control systems for the electric variant. Engineers injected their expertise, crafting unique solutions to optimize battery efficiency for both utility and agricultural tasks. The Kolos 244K is an all-wheel drive powerhouse, capable of handling various implements such as plows, sweepers, mowers, and trailers with ease, thanks to its 25 horsepower output and 540 revolutions per minute power takeoff shaft. The economic benefits are significant. Where a traditional diesel tractor consumes 1 liter of fuel, the electric Kolos 244 sips on 2-3 kilowatt-hours of electricity, slashing operational costs by tenfold. Featuring a semi-frame design and belt transmission, power from the brushless, air-cooled electric motor is seamlessly delivered to the drivetrain. Equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery boasting 21.5 kilowatt-hours capacity, with a 220 volts inverter at 2.7 kilowatts, the Kolos 244 ensures prolonged performance across various tasks. Tests have validated its endurance, with the battery sustaining 8-9 hours of operation under diverse conditions. For those aiming for sustainable farming practices, an optional version of the tractor comes with solar panels, cleverly integrated into the roll bar's roof, providing an eco-friendly power boost while shielding the operator from the elements.